What if I told you the deadliest animal on Earth isn't the shark, or the lion, or even the crocodile? It's something much smaller. Something that kills more people every year than all those animals combined. And it's probably in your backyard right now. Today, we're counting down the animals that kill the most humans, and the number one killer will surprise you. Let's start with the ones you'd expect. Lions kill around 200 people a year. That's terrifying. But it's nothing compared to what's coming. Hippos kill about 500 people annually. They're aggressive, territorial, and can crush a human skull with one bite. Elephants are responsible for around 600 deaths per year. They trample, gore, and throw people with their trunks. Crocodiles take about 1,000 lives every year. They have the strongest bite in the animal kingdom. Over 1,000 attacks occur annually in Africa alone. But here's where it gets interesting. Dogs kill about 59,000 people a year. Most of those deaths are from rabies, not attacks. But that's still 59,000 people. Now we get to the surprising ones. Snakes are the third deadliest animal on the planet. The saw-scaled viper alone kills 138,000 people annually. In India, snake bites claim more than 50,000 lives every year. That's one death every 10 minutes. And then there's the number two killer, humans. We kill around 400,000 people a year. That's a lot. But it's not number one. The deadliest animal in the world is the mosquito. That's right, the tiny mosquito. Mosquitoes kill between 725,000 and 1 million people every year. That's more than all the other animals on this list combined. They don't kill by biting directly, they transmit diseases. Malaria is the biggest killer, causing over 600,000 deaths annually. Mosquitoes also spread dengue, yellow fever, and Japanese encephalitis. Half the world's population lives in areas at risk of malaria. And the worst part, mosquitoes are everywhere. Only female mosquitoes bite humans. They need blood to produce eggs. When they bite, they inject saliva that can carry parasites. The malaria parasite, Plasmodium, multiplies in the liver. Then it infects red blood cells. This causes fever, organ failure, and death. Children are the most vulnerable. Malaria still kills close to 500,000 children every year. That's one child every 60 seconds. The mosquito is responsible for more human deaths than all the wars in history combined. Let that sink in. One tiny insect has killed more people than every gun, bomb, and bullet ever made. And it's still out there right now. In your garden, by the lake, in your house. But here's the thing. We know how to stop them. Insecticide-treated bed nets can reduce malaria deaths by over 50%. Indoor spraying works too. And simple precautions like covering water containers can make a huge difference. It's not a big animal we need to fear. It's the small one. The one that's harder to see, the one that's harder to kill. So the next time you hear about a shark attack or a lion on the loose, remember this. The real killer is flying around your house right now. It's smaller than your fingernail, and it kills 1 million people a year. That's the strange, dark truth of the animal kingdom. The mosquito is the apex predator of humanity. Bye-bye.